First, before we go over anything, we're going to salute a young adult in the community going to school, freshman, and took to stock options. I'm gonna let him tell a story, but he's been doing good. He's been doing good in the community. He's been what I like about what I've seen with what he's been doing is he has shown confidence, right? So he is able to go off in spot assets, stocks to take advantage of and put in stock calls and puts. So I love that, right? So he is like going off out of the nest and able to catch his own worms. That's the overall objective, but he always tap back in to get his confirmations and things and make sure he's grounded. I love it. And I love the fact that he's a young adult. I wished I had this opportunity when I was a young adult, before 21, before 20, to know this skill. Oh, it's just beautiful to be able to experience this with this young adult. So I just want to interview him, ask him a few questions. That's Justin. Justin, come on, man. Unmute. And I need to see you, man. I need to see you. Unmute and I need to see you. Hey, man. Salute.
Let me see if my camera's
okay. Yeah. We see you. Nah, salute, man. I saw you. You grabbed a big one today.
Yeah, I think it was 97%. So it was close to
97% on that Walmart. I love it. That's beautiful, man. And I noticed you've been riding Walmart for like the last month, and I like that. You've been riding the same stock up and down like a bull, and you haven't fell off.
Yeah, I feel like it's really beneficial to like look at one stock and just kind of analyze it and see how it moves up and down over the course of the time period. So I feel like that's beneficial.
Nice. How long you been doing this?
Maybe a little bit longer than a month.
And your confidence is through the roof. You out there poking that Walmart on your own.
Yeah, because I also see all the big moves happening at like 9:30. So right when the market opens, it either goes up or it goes down. So I really just kind of analyzed it from there, and I found my entry point, got in the trade, and it played out.
How do you take advantage of the community resources?
I asked you like confirmations. I kind of get my option of where I want to enter with the resistance and my resistance line, my support line, and then I go from there, and then I ask you for more confirmations. I also go to those are really important. I also go to the sharp patterns in the Discord. Those are really helpful.
Too cool, because you've been in the community since day one.
It's been a while, man. That's crazy. It's been a while.
That's too cool. I love to see the youngins being able to have this skill. You know, this is a big deal, Just, man. This right here, you lock in and you keep at it and you keep sharpening your tools. You pretty much won't never have to go and do application. That's what you should be lining yourself up for right now. Using the money to build, to go put other assets that makes more money. That's the whole objective. What would you tell beginners?
I just found this stock and I really kind of just analyzed it for a certain period of time, and I analyzed the stock and I knew points it went down to location like every time, and that kind of gained my confidence on that certain stock. And then once I entered trades, then I kept getting more confidence from that. So I feel like it's beneficial to kind of stick to one when you're starting off and kind of analyze it. You can also do paper trading, which is not using your own money. It's kind of into the stock market, like when it opens and when it closes. That's also another tool you could use.
Okay, so you ride them trends, the uptrend, the downtrend. You ride the trend. Do the group meetings help you?
The meetings especially do help, especially when you're like going over like the basic information like support and resistance, or the uptrend, downtrend, higher highs, higher lows. Especially like even refreshing, even now, like it's still good, like refreshing to have.
That's beautiful, Just. That's beautiful, man. Well, I salute you, man. I salute you with the utmost, and stay at it. Make sure you remember your risk to reward, right? We want to risk less than we are looking to get rewarded, right? That way, if things things go opposite our prediction, we're not in a bad spot. So remember that. Your stop loss is important, right? That's the same as your risk to reward, right? That way we want to lose, because the market takes two. It takes two, but we want to position ourselves with a smaller loss than our wins. Yeah, you stick to that, man, and you stay in the community, stay grounded. Don't be full tilt. You're headed right where you're supposed to be headed, and that's to the top. I salute you. I am very, 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 very proud and very happy and very to have this honor in your early journey.
Thank you.